What's the game plan here?
Game plan is,
That's what I want to go.
I think we're doing decent on time. We're a little bit
I think
late.
I'll be
Little, as always.
Well, we were good, except Presley is the only one with a check bag. Even, we should be proud of you.
I grabbed my large
There's
carry-on.
not one until one. There's not one until
A lot of room.
When did you pack?
This morning, bro. I bought my ticket this morning.
And I dropped my dogs off.
Where this?
Yo,
Say what's up to the vlog.
yo, what's up? Justin Werline's the GOAT. Psychotic the GOAT.
Good morning. Good morning. It is currently 8:30 in the morning. We're gonna go grab some coffee real quick. It is Monday. Today's a special day because not only is it Monday and we're gonna be trading today, but today is the day that TradePath finally launches. It has been 6 months, literally 6 months that I've been working on this project. I'm so excited to be able to share with you guys this software, and I'm excited to kind of just start making content again now that it's back and ready to go, and I have so much time. So decided today, I'm currently in Miami right now, and I want to just film some trading recordings. So we're gonna do some live trading today, record the session, see what ends up happening in the day. But grabbing some coffee right now at Crema, and then we're gonna head back and get ready for open. So thank you. Coffee has been secured. This was much needed. Ooh, doggy doggy. You know, you love seeing that kind of stuff in the morning. You love waking up on a coffee run, going to get some coffee and being surprised by a couple dogs. That's why I like Miami. In Scottsdale, I feel like people like to sleep in a little bit. In Miami, people are kind of up and out. So, little plus. Welcome in. How we doing, team? What's up, William, Simon, Marcus? Hi from Zurich. Bro's in Germany right now. Just by looking at kind of what will happen in the overnight session and kind of what I want to see going into open is number one, I don't want to continue to fight this bearish bias, or not continue, but we definitely don't want to be looking for longs unless there's a reason for us to do so. Going into open, looking at the 1 hour, and kind of what I want to see is obviously I want to be a little bit more leaning bearish going into the day with how price action has been looking. This internal low recently got taken. I want to see at open if we want to either continue to sell and go reach towards sell side. If there is an opportunity for me to take a short, the only way that I can take a short in this area is by seeing some sort of internal model. Meaning, if I zoom out to the 5 minute, let's say market opens, we rebalance higher, maybe put in an S&T with this high. I'd like to see market move higher first at open and then look to see lower. Where ES is we're pretty close to taking sell side. So if we do want to continue to hold here and sell off at open, I'd be pretty patient. And if sell side gets taken, I'd most likely just be waiting and watching and seeing kind of how price reacts at that level. All right, 1 minute into open. Let's see what we want to do. Again, NQ in that 5 minute for value gap. So I'm probably guessing we're going to most likely look to see a sell off at open. That recent high just got taken. We'll have that change in the state internally on the 5 minute right here. First thing, kind of just already noticing, looks like ES is the weaker, or NQ is the weaker asset. Do have an S&T already put in at these lows, so we'll kind of see what the reaction is here. Yes, getting bought up. If we do want to rebalance higher, this is probably where I'd expect to go on this 1 hour, because we have this 1 hour for value gap back up inside this range. But I kind of most likely expect this S&T to get ran through, especially if ES runs this 1 minute. NQ just displacing towards sell side, just being patient, letting the market do its thing. ES rebalancing into that inverse. Again, still just being patient here. Again, for me to take a short, I have to see some sort of internal model. One thing we always got to remind ourselves and recognize too, and sometimes we get focused on what the draw is and our confidence and what we think and where we think the market is going, and we completely forget about what our entry model is, right? If there's no entry model in relationship to the trade and the reason for me to take a trade, even if I think the draw is so confident and like I think this 1 minute fair value gap is going to hold and I think we're going to go to sell side, there's no model in relationship to me to take this. It's just a fair value gap and it's just a draw in liquidity, right? There has to be a reason for me to take the setup. An SMT, if fair value gap being ran through, there's got to be more context to it, because the reason why that's in place is so that we don't get wicked, we don't get stopped out, right? Because what we'll end up realizing is then, oh, you'll get stopped, and then the actual model will end up happening, right? We want to be reactive, not trying to be like, oh, I'm afraid that this 1 minute's going to hold and we're going to sell and then we're going to take sells out. If that's the case, then there's no trade, right? But for us to take some sort of entry, there's got to be a higher probability reason for us to do so, right? So let price action build. We'll see if this 1 minute fair value gap continues to hold here. We'll see what ES wants to do if this inverse does. We want to go run recent highs. Just let the morning kind of play out here. We'll see what we want to do. Yeah, ES is pretty bullish here. Looks like I'd rather see honestly ES start to work our way back higher and go take those recent highs. We'll see if this wants to hold. NQ is definitely a lot heavier. Okay, so NQ rebalancing in the 5 minute. ES runs the recent high, so we do have this bigger time frame SMT here now. So what I'd want to see is possible short entry here if that 1 minute fair value gap gets ran through. So I'd want to see this actually open. We'll see if this candle comes all the way back down, but this imbalance right here, I'd like to see this fair value gap open so that this can get ran through. So we'll see. I'd want to see this hold if we can to make this imbalance open up. Come on, hold it, hold it. So it looks like we closed it off. See if there's a lower time frame imbalance. Small little 30-second there. Changing the state would be here. Recent high got taken. I like this. If we can get back below that change in the state, then short does not look too bad here. Like to see displacement here quick through that though. Want to see that 5 minute fair value gap hold and get back below this change in the state. Small 30-second fair value gap here. This will be changing the state on the 30-second. So that internal high just got taken. Keep in mind there's still also a fair value gap here as well. And now we actually just rebalanced back to OTE, which is great. And a recent high got taken. So we have an SMT and a recent high got taken. So if we break that change in the state, I'm going to look to check a short. Alright. So we're going to go ahead, enter a short here with 3 of those copied accounts. And stop's going to be at that 9.2 area. And then again, targeting sell side here. But again, you be patient and you're most likely going to be rewarded for it. If you wait for the model, if you wait for the confirmation of what we're looking for, you're most likely going to be rewarded for it. Price action starting to speed up. Again, notice how slow the rebalance is versus the change in the state, and the displacement here is showing manipulation in the morning. We rebalance back to OTE, changing the state for value gap, internal high gets ran. This is A+ in favor of the draw. So we'll see if this works out. Risk is on. Now we be patient, let the market do its thing. Respecting the 5 minute fair value gap, looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and add actually. Just added one more con on this. Same stop, around 8.5 area, 8.7. Yeah. 9.51 here, we'll get macro open.
Oh.
Internal low got taken. Possible scale here, because again, we do have an SMT at this low. Always a good idea. In fact, I'll probably scale 3 here. Oh.
I took it off on one account. I'm still on another account. I accidentally just took it off on the one that's screen shared though. Stop at break even on the rest of the cons. Let's get this last little push towards sell side here. There's a reason why we stay patient on a no news Monday. All out of my position. Great trade. Alrighty guys, go enjoy your day. Get off the charts. Go enjoy your day. Because Papa Justin will always provide. I'm always here. Let me get some W's for that. Let's get some W's. Let's get some W's. That's how we start the week right there. That's how we start the week. 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes and we're done. Come on, get them up, get them up, get them up. Let's go. Let's get the hype going. Let's get the hype going, guys. It's Monday on a new week. Let's go. Yes, sir. That's what we do. Less than 30 minutes in, A+ on a no news Monday, but still low size. Great trade. Let's go. Market said, take your time. What's the rush? Do you guys notice today too? Like, and one thing I wanna say, guys. You don't need to constantly feel like you need to take a trade unless it's in your face. And I said that to this morning. I said, guys, the draw is lower, but the model will play out. Notice the disconnection and the discorrelation between the S and Q. ES is moving higher, NQ is rebalancing. We're obviously gonna have a manipulation leg. ES and NQ take this recent high. We have the SMT, and this is a forever model. This is an A+ setup. This is a forever model. If it's there, it's there. Take it. There's a reason why it's an A+ setup. There's a reason why this is our model, because there is really nothing better than the forever model. SMT gets put in internal high, change in state for value gap, and the perfect add. And the perfect add. 800 on the day. 5-minute SMT after test of the 30-minute for value gap. 5-minute rebalance, equilibrium with the 5-minute change in state. A+ setup. Let's go. All right, guys, get off, go enjoy your day, get off the market. Do not look at the market for the rest of the day. Go journal. Actually, don't go journal because you're gonna have to wait to journal until later, until trade bets out. But go enjoy your day, go enjoy your Monday, go do something else. Don't look at the market the rest of the day. All righty, guys, be safe. I'll see you all tonight for the charting session. Enjoy your day, guys. Great morning, blessed Monday, and I will see you guys later. Peace out, guys. Woo!
Papa Justin will always provide.
Papa Justin. Oh, that was a great line.
I always thought I heard Papa Justin. Well, actually, I just think it's so dope. Like, I've never like actually seen one of your live streams like live in the flesh, and I think that must be a crazy credibility builder.
All right, just got done trading. We're currently back at the coffee shop right now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little morning kind of live session. Wanted to be able to show you guys kind of a little bit of how my day looks like. It's genuinely nothing crazy. Like, I'm in Miami right now, woke up, went to the coffee shop, came back, traded for less than 30 minutes, took a great trade on live. Hopefully you guys learned with kind of what my bias was going into the day, how it ended up playing out. We ended up getting a really, really beautiful setup, the patience, the execution. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. More content to come. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.